Assalamualaikum and greetings to Sir Doni. So today I will present about the assignment 1. So for the first question, the data given is L over D equal to 1.1 and volume of liquid equal to 171 feet cube and the volume for ruang kosong equal to 20% of the volume total. Then in this question, we need to determine the diameter of the tank and the length of the tank. So the first step we need to calculate is the volume total equal to volume liquid plus the volume of ruang kosong. Volume liquid plus volume ruang kosong. So volume ruang kosong equal to 0.2 times volume total. So then we get volume liquid equal to 0.8 volume total. So we equate to 171 feet cube equal to 0.8 V volume total. Then we get volume total equal to 213.75 feet cube. Then we need to determine the volume ruang kosong equal to 0.2 before 0.2 times with volume total that we get. So then we get the answer 42.75 feet cube. Then to determine the after we have get the volume total, we can determine the diameter and the length of the tank using the formula of the bottom and the top cover is hemisphere. So 2 times volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder at the middle. So then we get 213.75 equal to 2 times 0.0833 pi d cube plus 1/4 pi d square times L. So from the information given, we know that L over D equal to 1.1 D. So then we substitute L with 1.1 D. So then we will get only one unknown in the equation. Then we can solve it using calculator. Then after I have solved it, I get 5.3610 feet. Then from the diameter that we get, we insert it into the equation L equal to 1.1 D. Then we will get 5.8971 feet. So that's all for the first question. Then we move on to the second question. The information that have been given in this question is temperature of the tank is equal to 300 Fahrenheit, pressure equal to 40 psig, mass of liquid which is 70% of the vessel equal to 9071 pound, and the density of the liquid is 71 pound over feet cube. So in the question, the vessel is SA240 grade C type 347, which is double welded butt joint. Then the corrosion factor, which is C, equal to 1/16. It also have stated that the top cover is a standard dish head and the bottom cover conical with top angle with the angle equal to 120 degree. Then the L over D equal to 1.5, which we can convert it to L equal to 1.5 D. So in this question, we need to determine the diameter, length and the thickness. So this is the diagram for the tank. The volume of ruang kosong is equal to 30% of the volume total and the volume of liquid is 70% of the volume total, which is equal to mass of liquid, which is equal to 9071 pound. So I have divided the tank into 3 parts, which is the volume 1 is the hemisphere, the volume 2 is the cylinder, and the volume 3 is the cone shape. So the first one we need to calculate is the volume total of the tank. The volume total is equal to 0.3 volume total plus 9071 pound. So then we will get volume total equal to 12958.57 pound. So to convert, because pound is in mass, the unit of pound is mass, so then we need to convert it by divide it with the density of the liquid itself. So after we have divide 12958.57 pound divide by 71, we will get the volume total of the tank is 182.52 feet cube. So then we use the same step. We equate the volume total with the formula of each shape, which is the V1 is hemisphere, V2 is cylinder, and V3 is cone. So I have simplified the equation for the shape. So for the V1 is equal to 0.0833 pi d cube. So for V2, the equation is 1.1, the V2 is 1.1781 d cube. So for V3, I substitute the angle, which is 120, 1/2 times 120, I get 60 degree. So I times all of this, I will get V3 equal to 0.07557 d cube. So then we need to equate the volume total with the equation that we have produced. We have get. So 182.52 equal to 1.5154 d cube. So then we will get d equal to 4.9385. So then we insert this value into the equation L equal to 1/5d. We will get 7.4078 feet. This is the length. So the last one is we need to calculate the TS, the thickness. So for calculating the thickness, we need to convert the diameter first. The unit feet, we need to convert it into inch. So 12 inch equal to 1 feet. So 4.9385 times 12 inch, we will get 59.262 inch. So for the formula for calculating the thickness of cylinder, equal to the pressure inside the cylinder times the diameter, divided with 2 times bracket F times E. F is the allowable stress, E is the so E is the efficiency. So for the double welded, the efficiency is equal to 0.9. So then plus with 0.6 times PI, P inside the tank pressure. So then we, from the data in Brownell and Young, the table, we get the strength to be pulled is equal to 75 pound over inch square. And for the F, the allowable stress is equal to 17,000 pound over inch. So for the pressure, we need to convert the unit, convert to pound over inch square. So we insert all the value inside the formula TS. 40 times 59.262, and all this. So I calculated it, and I get the TS is equal to 0.1402 inch. I convert it into the fraction form. So we times it into, we need to change it in term of 16, denominator of 16. So I times with 16 over 16, then we get 2.2432 over 16. So we need to make it into whole number. then the 2.2432 is approximately 23. So the TS will be 3/16. So that's all for the second question of for the assignment. Thank you.